Okay, so retinal detachment, it always helps to start with the anatomy. I refer to the retina as the film of the camera. I like to give the analogy of the eye being a camera. We have the cornea, which is the lens source, sort of. The cornea is the window, you have the lens. The retina is in the back of the eye. The retina is the tissue that receives light and then turns that light into an electrical signal that tells the brain what they're seeing. Well, as often happens in either injuries or certain illnesses, you can actually have a condition where the part of the retina pulls loose from its attachments, and that's a retinal detachment. It can be fluid that pushes it loose. It can be a tear that happens inside due to trauma or other tensions. And as fluid builds up under that, it pushes the retina away from the photoreceptors, causing blindness in that area. The good thing is today, retinas can be reattached, and in a lot of cases, if we catch it early, vision can be restored to some level of success. And so early diagnosis, early treatment, knowing the signs and symptoms of a retinal detachment is critical. We get people that come in all the time with what they describe as flashes of light. And yes, that is a hallmark symptom of a potential tear or tension on the retina that can lead to an eventual retinal detachment. And so what we do in those cases, we dilate the eye, we take a very detailed look at all of the entire retina and make sure that there aren't tears, there aren't fluid accumulations. We can also do that OCT that we mentioned in glaucoma discussion as well, but we can measure where a detachment might occur and then get them referred to the proper surgeon to handle whatever procedure he deems necessary to reattach that.